I want to thank everyone here. I think it has been a wonderful and amazing experience, the last few days. Uh, Particularly, deepest gratitude, Amrita, to you, Peter, Nidhi, for for bringing what you brought here in the last few days. What strikes me. First, I want to echo all the sentiments that I just heard. Some beautiful feelings expressed by everyone. Truly want to echo all of those. But what struck me, I want to call out a couple things. One, I saw you demonstrate, highest levels of duty, devotion, discipline, and honesty. I haven't seen it get as good as what I saw today, and I come from, corporates where I've been trained in Six Sigma, quality. Um, what stood out today was, and for me, the second takeaway, aside from what I saw you demonstrate here, is a lot of what you do and make us all do is with your level of devotion. You work through the heart. While my own take in the corporate is you can do things with your head, but you need to be on a prop most of the time when you do it with your head. When you do it with devotion, when you do it with warmth and heart, you take this to an absolutely different level. And I saw you demonstrate that. So I'm going away with a big takeaway here. For us, for me in particular, to deploy some of this, and in all that I do, I'm going back after having experienced the power of the heart beautifully, the power of the heart. And your conviction, your belief is just compelling. It just makes it happen. I mean, the precision with which you have executed the program also, aside from the impact of the program, the design and the content, the precision with which you have executed every bit of it, just outstanding. Difficult to believe. I haven't come across, and I mean, I've truly been a witness to, privileged to be in world-class programs, but in your own way, unique way, authentic way, what you have brought here together, I really want everyone to see. And I will be talking about this as an example to illustrate a lot of things that I believe in when I go back to my corporate world and role. Thank you so much.